Want to make sure you hear every incoming text on your iPhone? Here's how to restore your message notification sound in about a minute. First, check the ring/silent switch on the side of your iPhone. Flip it toward the screen so you're in ringer mode, not silent. Next, press and hold the volume up button until your ringer volume is maxed out. Then swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and drag the volume slider all the way up. Now dive into Settings and tap Notifications. Scroll to Messages, tap it, and make sure Allow Notifications is on. Under Alerts, verify that Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners are all enabled so you never miss a tone. Still no sound? In the same Messages notification settings, tap Sound. If it's set to None, choose one of the standard alert tones. You can even tap a name to hear a preview. Finally, remember that when your phone is unlocked and you're actively using it, iOS may suppress notification sounds and show only a banner. Lock your screen and send yourself a test message to confirm you're back to hearing that ding. That's it. 5 quick steps to fix your text message alerts. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite iPhone tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.